There is no doubt that AI is going to be massive.
AI is coming, and it's coming faster than you think.
We see exponential speed of development, exponential speed of release of new open source large language models.
It is going to affect every part of our lives. But how it's going to affect us is the question. So how does AI work? With regards to large language models, they're basically very powerful pattern recognition systems.
Algorithms that can search through vast amount of data and can recognize different bits and pieces and patterns very efficiently.
They have digested all the information from around the internet that humans have created, and then very effectively or very realistically, perhaps deceivingly so, is able to predict the next words.
A very important thing to remember, these systems are not general purpose intelligence, yes? They can do very specific targeted tasks.
Large language models are not able to generate new knowledge. They are very good at linking knowledge.
What you tend to feel are real human-like answers, but it's not human-like thinking.
The question we need to answer is whether we can trust AI. Currently, the short answer is that we can't.
AI is very good at giving very convincing, incorrect answers.
If you don't know how to use it correctly, you could be getting wrong information.
The problem with that is that it's hard to spot those incorrect answers when they're woven into lots of correct information.
It doesn't really have an understanding of what is true. It's trying to give you something that will essentially sound about right.
I like to see this tool as amplifiers. Amplifiers can be positive or negative.
The problem we have is when we introduce bad data into the equation, bad data starts to influence the result. And of course, the AI has no way of recognizing that it's bad data.
We need to invest in research that can give some guarantees to the user.
With artificial intelligence, it's been a little bit of a buzzword.
Everybody is trying to use it for everything. We have to go through the hype in order to reach the plateau.
AI shouldn't be done just for AI's sake. It needs to be thought about how it can improve the process for the end user.
We're not going to bolt on a bit of AI and chuck it out there.
We don't want to dazzle people with useless fireworks. We want things to be important, integral, and to be really delivering benefits.
Trace will take responsibility for what it delivers.
At Trace, we're thinking about how we can make things faster, simpler, better.
That is the ethos that we work by.
The principle has always been, can we automate the day-to-day, focus on the exceptions? Can we give people time to deal with people?
It is a human industry. We're a human business.
We think of AI as a force multiplier, if you like, a bionic suit for the individual to put on and be able to achieve more with the same.
We're, 50 years coming up right now. There's so much baked into that, not just in long-standing relationships with real key players in the industry. And I'm not just talking customers, I'm talking people writing white papers, I'm talking gurus and experts in all manner of areas.
Brunel University is one of the top universities in AI.
Our department is at the forefront of artificial intelligence.
It has been great working with Trace Solutions. We share the common vision of incorporating safe and reliable AI in order to bring productivity and benefit to the business.
AI is probably one of the biggest shifts in property management that we've seen in a very long time.
We need to start more appreciating what humans can bring to the table and try to use these models as partners and not as replacement of humans.
What's made Trace strong in the market as a software provider to the property industry is our relationships with our clients. We don't want to lose that human touch.
We understand the people, we understand the process, we understand the technology, and we're going to carry on doing that. We're going to embrace new technology, and we're going to be here for the next 50 years.